Hi. In this video, we'll walk through how you can convert email messages into tasks in Monday. To do this, you'll need to have the Email to Task extension installed. In our previous video, we covered the full installation process. You can find the link in the description below. First, open the email you want to convert. On the right side of your screen, click the Email to Task icon. A window will appear where you can create presets. You can set up multiple presets and use them to speed up your email to task conversion. To create a preset, select the workspace where the task should be created, set a title, and choose which fields you want to fill in. Then click the Add Preset button to save your template. Next, enter the relevant details you want in the task. You can copy text directly from the email and select fields from the drop-down menu, for example, task status, priority, assignees, and more. Once ready, click the Create button, and that's it. Your task is instantly created in your Monday board. No need to switch between pages. You can interact with it just like any other task, and the original email will be automatically attached to it.